Question says KMnO4 having purple color is reduced to K2MnO4 green by SO32 minus in basic medium. Reaction is taking place in basic medium. Okay. Question says 1 mole of KMnO4 is reduced by. Keep in mind KMnO4 is a strong oxidizing agent. Okay, it is a strong oxidizing agent. Okay, and it will always oxidize other substance and it will undergo reduction reaction. And okay, it will get reduced itself in the chemical reaction. So that's why it says 1 mole of KMnO4 is reduced by, okay, sulfite ion. Okay, let's write down the chemical reaction. First of all, we have KMnO4. KMnO4 is undergoing reduction reaction to convert into K2MnO4, purple to green. Okay, and it is reduced by sulfite. This is what SO32 minus is there, sulfite ion. Okay, and since it is a strong oxidizing agent, so then it will oxidize sulfite ion into sulfate ion, because increase in oxidation number is always oxidation reaction. Sulfate ion, why sulfate ion? Because sulfur is present in its maximum oxidation number. If you calculate oxidation number, 3 2 is 6, sulfur present in plus 4 oxidation number, 4 2 is 8, minus 2 is there present in plus 6 oxidation number. If you compare the oxidation number of sulfur, you can see there is an increase in oxidation number, and increase in oxidation number is always oxidation. Means this sulfite ion is undergoing oxidation in the presence of a strong oxidizing agent, and it is undergoing reduction reaction. If you calculate oxidation number, 4 2 is 8 plus 1 potassium is there, then it is present in plus 7 oxidation number. 4 2 is 8 plus 2 potassium is there, then it is present in plus 6 oxidation number. Okay, so you can see decrease in oxidation number is always reduction, and increase in oxidation number is always oxidation. Very interesting concept. Now we can balance the charge. Difference in oxidation number 7 minus 6 is equal to 1 electron is there. In the second half equation, 4 on the other side plus 6 there, 6 minus 4 is equal to 2 electron is there. Balance the number of electron in both half equation. In this case 2 electron, in this case 1 electron multiplied by 2, then 2 will come here also, 2 will come here also. Equation is balanced. Okay, charge is balanced. Okay, if you want to balance number of hydrogen and oxygen, you can do it, but it is not required. From here easily we can answer the question. Okay, pay attention carefully. Okay, the charge is balanced in this equation. It says 1 mole of KMnO4 is reduced by sulfite ion. How many sulfite ions? You can see 2 moles. If you pay attention here, let me circle. 2 moles of KMnO4 are reduced by 1 mole of sulfite ion. Then 1 mole of KMnO4 will be reduced by how many? Okay, you can see 2 moles of KMnO4 are reduced by 1 mole of sulfite ion. Then 1 mole of KMnO4 will be reduced by how many moles of sulfite ion? 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5 moles of sulfite ion. Where the answers? We have 0.5 moles of sulfite ion. You can see we got the option that is D. 0.5 moles of sulfite ion will be reducing 1 mole of KMnO4 in the reaction.